Today we're talking about the divisibility rule for 5. The rule for numbers that can be evenly divided by 5 is super easy. If the number ends with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. For example, 125. It ends with a 5, so 5 goes into it perfect. 25 times to be exact. Now you try it. Is 530 divisible by 5? Pause the video so you don't see the answer right away.
2,000 years later.
If you said yes, you are correct. Great job. 530 ends with 0, so 5 can evenly go into 530. Let's try one more. Is 3,217 divisible by 5? Again, pause the video so you don't see the answer. If you said no, you are correct. 3,217 does not end with 0 or 5, so 5 doesn't evenly go into it. Now you know the divisibility rule for 5. Check out the divisibility rules playlist for more videos. Thanks so much for watching.